Hey guys, I'm Will with Jerkyholic, and today we're going to make these chicken breasts into some chicken sandwiches. So we're going to pound these out, get the grill started, and make a good dinner. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do when we're doing these chicken breasts is trim some of the fat off. I don't like that fat, so we're going to get rid of that. And I like to pound chicken breasts out. I don't like cooking chicken breasts, when they're real thick. I think the outside gets tough, inside, tender, but the outside's not as good. So pound them out. I'm going to put a little olive oil on. I'm hitting these with Honey Hog. That's a seasoning from Meat Church. I really like this. It goes really well with chicken. We're going to get that on, and we're going to get the grill up to at least 450 degrees. We want to cook this hot and fast. So we're going to clean it with an onion, clean the grill with an onion, and throw these on. They should only take 2-3 minutes aside, not really long. And when you go to flip them, they should pull off clean. They shouldn't be sticking to the grill. Cook them another couple minutes, test, and once you hit 165 internal, these are ready to come off. They're done. We're going to make a sandwich out of these, so we're going to toast some buns, and then I've already sliced up some onion, tomatoes, we cooked some bacon, so we threw this on the bun, a little mayo and mustard. Turned out perfect. But that also goes great with just some, side of rice. And that's it. Enjoy.